Welcome food lovers to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Wish you and your family a very happy new year. Today's recipe is bread curd fire rolls. So let's take a look at the recipe. Tie the curd in a cheesecloth and hang it in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours. The hung curd is ready. So now we will make the creamy yogurt filling. The creamy yogurt filling is ready. You can use butter paper, Ziploc bags or any plastic to give the rolls a spindle shape. For this, you need to hold on to the corners of the roll and then twist them by moving your arms on the opposite sides slowly. Now we will make a spicy coating for the rolls. Brush the surface of the bread rolls lightly with the corn flour paste so that the breadcrumbs can stick to them. The bread curd fire rolls are ready to be fried. Fry them on medium to high flame for about 4 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. The bread curd fire rolls are now ready. If you try this recipe, do let me know how they turn out. Please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. See you next week then with a new recipe. Till then, enjoy the bread curd fire rolls with your family and friends.